When we built Alleviate, everything was taken into consideration. So as much as we want to be there for our clients, we also believe that our biggest asset is also our employees.
The executive team has a clear vision and purpose for our direction and our company. With that, it makes my work easy and it gives a lot of support to whatever we do.
I am the cold brew fanatic / IT. This is my main focus though. I like that it's cold, keeps me awake. It's a great way to stay in shape. It's free.
I feel like every day I'm coming to a 5-star resort. So the nicest feeling is feeling like I'm on vacation but doing a really good job at it. Enjoying the people that work here, just everyday life.
Everyone's one team, one goal. No matter where you go, everyone's have an open door policy, which is really awesome.
One of the food courts also have ping pong tables. They have an Xbox center where I like to take out a lot of the guys, but basically I like to just sit down and read.
I have been on walks just down the street, grocery shopping, take a 30, go out there. We have so much to offer here as far as the amenities.
I love playing Shuffleboard, so when I'm on break, I usually play, and my desk is like right behind it, so I love playing there.
You can walk over to the servicing and play a little bit of golf. You can do cornhole, which kind of takes your mind off for 5 minutes about what you're really doing so you can refocus.
I really enjoyed the gym. I actually go every day after work. They offer a gym here, so it's very convenient.
You can go into one of the break rooms, and the break rooms have these coffee machines, and there's 29 different buttons to pick what kind of coffee you actually want.
Yeah, our break room actually has like a little market. That's pretty cool.
We have food here that comes in every Friday just for the whole staff. It's awesome food. Sometimes it's sandwiches, sometimes it's pizza, sometimes it's other great options that we have.
These are just some of the amazing amenities that we provide here to our staff, which we value highly.
If they're looking for a company that's interested in putting money back into their associates and showing them that they appreciate them, then come to Alleviate. Because the actions speak louder than words. You know, you can have individuals tell you what's good, but actually if you can feel it and you have management taking the time to help you and work with you and giving you the vision with the company as well, it goes a long ways.